Cole is learning how to write the word love.
L, O, D,
Good job, Pumpkin. Can you write, what other word can you write?
Cole,
Cole. I will watch.
C, O,
You filling it in?
L, E.
Good job, Pumpkin. What holiday is coming up?
Valentine's Day!
Yay!
National Valentine's